Program BA, Subject Political Science, Semester 5, University, Karnataka University, Dharwad, Session 3, Constitutional History of China. China has four stages in its constitutional history. The first one is Constitution of 1954. Second one, Constitution of 1975. Third one, Constitution of 1978. And the fourth one is Constitution of 1982, which is the present Constitution of China. Constitution of 1954. On 24th December 1952, a resolution was moved by Premier Zhou Enlai on behalf of the Communist Party of China at the 43rd meeting in Standing Committee to draft a new permanent constitution. A resolution was passed, and on 13th January 1953, the Central People's Government appointed a 30-person drafting committee led by Mao Zedong. In March 1954, the draft committee was passed. The 1954 Constitution included a preamble and 108 articles organized into 4 chapters. It specified a government structure remarkably similar to the current system. Chapter 2 of the 1954 Constitution set up a system of government composed of 6 structural parts. The highest organ of government was the legislature, the National People Congress. The executive was composed of the President and the State Council. Subnational government was to be composed of People's Congress and People's Committee of various levels. Autonomous ethnic areas would decide on their forms of government according to the wishes of the majority of the people in these areas. Finally, a hierarchy of courts headed by the Supreme People's Court and the Supreme People's Procurator formed the judicial system. Under Chapter 3, Fundamental Rights and Duties of Citizens guaranteed a relatively comprehensive set of human rights. It also imposed the duty to pay taxes, undertake national services, and to obey the law. Like the subsequent versions of the Constitution, the 1954 Constitution was not entrenched. It could be amended by the National People's Congress, according to Article 27, Subclause 1, by a special two-third majority, without resources to a referendum or other such mechanism. The 1954 Constitution was intended to be a transitional constitution to be revised after China developed into a socialist economy. The second stage is Constitution of 1975. In 1975, Mao Zedong and his supporters sought to formalize their power through the promulgation of new constitution. Under the 1975 Constitution, the office of the president was abolished, leaving Mao as the chairman of the Communist Party as the sole power center. The replacement of local government by revolutionary committees was also formalized. The Constitution was sorted to 30 articles, and the fundamental rights and duties of citizens was greatly shortened. Guarantees removed, including the rights to property and privacy, freedom from political discrimination, freedom of movement, speech, and artistic freedom, among other human rights. Concurrently, the duty to pay taxes was also removed. The 1975 Constitution also saw a significant shift to the 1954 Constitution. It was inserted without significant number of ideological sloganeering provisions. It included to claim that the nation was guided by Marxism, Leninism, and Mao Zedong thoughts. With this, I conclude session 3. Thank you.